Hi guys, welcome back to Jamaica Is A Series. Today, Jackie, which is me, will be the only person doing the video today. For today, I'm gonna make Jamaican hot chocolate tea, so you can see how I do it, Jamaican style.
And people, this is Shaz Midday, I'm the camera person today.
As always. Alright guys, so you get, this is what the chocolate looks like. I'm not sure if you can get it here. I know you can get it in New York, but where we live in Boston, we don't get this. So this came strictly from backyard. Okay, so I'm gonna take each one and I'm gonna grate it on the grater so you guys can see how it's done.
So people, this is all the 4 chocolates that's been, grated. So yeah, it's Shaz on the thing. So that's how it looks, right? So it looks pretty, people. And as you can see, Jamaican like hard work. We have to grate out the hot chocolate, but it tastes so good.
Yes guys, I'm going to show you the stuff I put into my chocolate. But before I go any further, I just like to let the camera lady know that I had to put my hair up because I'm hot. Okay?
For number 1, people, she don't need to let me know. Only she needs to let know because of continuity. Because the woman like to put up her hair and do things off camera, and then I come back and look very different than when she first introduced herself.
Do you guys like that? So she can say what she want to say.
Just to the
So guys,
chocolate.
this is the pot with the water for my chocolate tea. Again guys, it's not hot chocolate, it's Jamaican chocolate tea. Okay?
So
Alright.
a DIY for the Jamaican chocolate tea.
So I'll be putting cinnamon stick, cinnamon leaf into the water and then put my chocolate in. Put it on medium hot, and I leave it there to boil maybe for 30 minutes or more, and then you guys will see what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, this is a cinnamon stick and the cinnamon leaf. You have to wash them first before you put them in your pot. You don't get these up here, okay? This is coming from yard, Jamaica.
For your Jamaican chocolate tea. So you
Yeah.
also need a pinch of salt and the
chocolate.
alright. And when you're done this tea, you should grate it already, people.
Yes, people. Pinch of salt.
A pinch of salt is probably about half a
Less
teaspoon.
than a half a teaspoon.
Yeah, so a quarter teaspoon. So not just pinch it. For all the big gun people them out there, it's fine too.
Guys, now I'm gonna put the chocolate in. Here you go. Okay guys, I throw the chocolate in the water. I'm gonna wait for another 10 or 15 minutes. When it starts to get to a point of boiling, I'll stir it. But for me, throwing it in, I just leave it like that and it takes its time, simmer down until it starts boiling.
Yeah, people, don't stir.
The most stirring you do is when you're going to sweeten the chocolate tea with condensed milk.
People, you saw it gone down, so that's why my mom said don't stir it, because you don't need to. It just goes down by itself. And once it's all dissolved, then she's gonna stir it, so you'll see her doing that.
Okay guys, my chocolate tea is finished and I'm about to sweeten it now. The milk you use to sweeten this kind of chocolate tea is condensed milk. Okay, so watch me roll. for this amount, I use 2 cans of condensed milk.
People, and when my mom is sweetening this tea, like it's, man, we're just waiting with panted breaths for it to be finished so we can drink it.
So here goes the 2nd can of milk. You see that, guys? You see that? Every drop of milk has to go in it. Every last drop. I'm telling you. This is the finished product. Come a little closer. You don't want to see it, guys? Look. This is the finished product of the chocolate tea.
Well, technically it don't finish yet, people. Why? Because after you sweeten it and you go and give people cups of it, you have to strain it through a cheesecloth. And man, after that it tastes so good. There are a few things we miss about Jamaica, and this is one of them. Like when people go to Jamaica, they bring us back chocolate, and so that's missing. And what also else for me, I don't care about nobody else, people, me love mango. I'm a miss mango, and there's no mango in the US that is as good as the mangoes in Jamaica. Not one of them as good as all of the mangoes in Jamaica.
No.
If we could get one, it would be so great, but I'm gonna get no mango to enjoy until I go visit.
Yeah, guys, there's a lot, guys, as my daughter just said. There's a lot of things you miss about back home. Not just the chocolate tea, because, I mean, to get this here, whenever we go back down, or if a family member goes back down, they will bring up like 3-4 dozen of this, so it lasts us for a long time. But next thing I miss, as she just said, breadfruit, roast breadfruit with ackee and saltfish. You know, so there's a lot we miss. Our fruit is different from here, and it just, you miss a lot of things.
God, people, jackfruit, my favorite fruit, jackfruit. I haven't had it in years.
So guys, as I said, this is a finished product, but as my daughter said, even though it's a finished product, I use a small strainer like this one. Very fine, you know, and I strain the tea through this first, and then I use a cheesecloth, which is something like this, so it gets everything out. You know, and that's how my kids enjoyed it. Most of the time I make this tea, people, I don't even get a cup. It's finished before it reached to me. You know.
It's true.
But guys, I must thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video. And I hope you learned something from me. Tune in again next time to
Jamaica Is A Series.
And remember to comment, to like, and to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Okay, guys? Walk good.